So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to change the network in your Trust wallet. So basically, Trust wallet doesn't let you switch networks like MetaMask does. So instead, each blockchain like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Polygon and etc. appears as its own wallet section. So you don't have to change networks. Instead, you select or add the network token you're working with. So how to do that? You just have to open your Trust wallet on your mobile phone and make sure you're updated to the latest version. And then you will see this page, and as you can see under the crypto, you could use also the search icon, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, you will see the drop down menu which is labeled as the all networks. Once you click on that, you could actually search for the specific network that you wanted to work on. Like for example, in Ethereum, just click on the Ethereum and you will see all the cryptocurrencies that is on the Ethereum network. So enable or toggle next to the token network, which is right here. So you could also choose another network based on your preference, like in BNB Smart Chain. So all the cryptocurrencies is on the list. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.